Well, as you can see here, that was now a private plane we saw that time apparently. Not military one we've now seen, but this is the private plane one we've now seen this time apparently. Obviously the first one we've only caught to see was the FA-20 we just saw apparently, which that was the military one we saw apparently. So as you can see at that time, that was the Premier Robin R.3000-140 that was. As we'd just seen coming over from there. So as that was the Premier Robin R.3000 we just saw that time apparently. As this is occasionally the one that's based at Newquay Airport apparently. If I go to ADXB, there he is. Just seen that one this time apparently. So as you can see, that was the Premier Robin R.3000 that was, we just seen that time. And as you can see, the registration is G-BZOL, that is. As you can see, the registration we saw today is G-BZOL, that is. And as you can see, that's on the usual call sign, which is TAMAR apparently. And that just took off from his base at Newquay Airport around literally just took off from his base at Newquay Airport just around just before 3:40 PM at his base at Newquay Airport. That's where he's taken off from apparently, taken off from his base at Newquay Airport. And as you can see, just literally came here, just flew in here, just past towards Wendron by the looks of it. And then, as you can see here, look, it flew in here about 28,000 feet from here. That's where it's flown by apparently. It's literally just flown here about 28,000 feet from here. As the literally just flown past over Falmouth by the looks of it. So literally it's just flown past towards Falmouth by the looks of it. So yeah, this is the Premier Robin that we normally see apparently. Occasionally, this is the Premier Robin that we normally see at times anyway. Times like this anyway, because we normally see Premier Robin like this though. But anyway, now we're going to see a private plane this time, no, not a military one. Which this is the one that's based at Newquay Airport apparently. Okay, so yep, hopefully the Premier Robin that should be heading back to his base at Newquay Airport very soon, hopefully. Whereas the other one, it's not that one, the GFOAR, which is that one there, that should be heading back to Bournemouth Airport very soon, which that one we've already seen, apparently. Now is this one we've just seen. So okay, so yep, thanks for watching, bye bye.